Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision. Good news coming out of the JFF today. The JFF has now announced a 23-man squad to play the friendly against Peru in Peru on January 20th. The 23-man squad will be assembled in Jamaica on January 13th for a small camp, and then they will leave to go to Peru. The squad is basically built up of a lot of known faces and some new faces to some. So without further ado, let's get into the squad. Dwayne Miller, Jaden White, Amal Knight, and that's the three goalkeepers that we'll be bringing. Happy to see Amal Knight back in the setup. Jaden White had a good season as well. Dwayne Miller, back again. So those are the three goalkeepers. In defense, Damian Nana Lowe, Richard King, Jamal Topi, Javane Brown, Kemar Taxi Lawrence. And in defense here, I think this is where we're most experienced of a lot of first teamers, in the likes of Damian Lowe, Javane Brown, Kemar Lawrence, and now Javon Haka Watson, if he's played in defense. To end this section of the list, we have Kevin Lambert, the man from Phoenix Rising in the USL. Alright, moving on. Kevin Shaw, Ramon Howell, Devon Speedy Williams, Peter Lee Vassell, Lamar Walker, Alex Marshall, Dwayne Busy Atkinson. Tremendous season with Cavaliers. Went on trial over there in Spain. He did not take up that situation. He did not take up that opportunity, based on the fact that the team was struggling in the 4th division pretty much in Spain. So he didn't take that opportunity. Good move, I think. Duchesne Beckford, Kaheem Paris, Devante Campbell, Jardine Fletcher, Corey Burke, and last but not least, Akweso Chung. So there you have it, 23-man squad to represent Jamaica for the friendly against Peru on January 20th. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought about the squad. A lot of new faces, a lot of absentees as well. But let me know what you think are the players that missed out. A lot of new faces. Paul Hall will get a good opportunity now to look at these players. I think it's a pretty decent mix considering the circumstances. It's not a FIFA date and we don't have all the players at our disposal, So it is good to have a nice mix. And I think Paul Hall and the coaching staff or whoever picked the team did a good job in doing this, getting these younger players a chance to, show what they got and sprinkle a little experience here and there, the likes of Corey Burke, Devon Speedy Williams, Damian Lowe, of course, Haka, Javon Watson will have some experience on this team, Kemar Taxi Lawrence. So, the youngsters should be okay, and I'm happy to see Kevin Lambert in the team. I think he had a great season at defensive midfield for Phoenix Rising. They renewed his contract, so he has been doing well. I did a video on Kevin Lambert. You can go and check it out on the channel. He has been doing well, so big up Kevin Lambert. Happy to see him in the squad, and he's getting another chance to shine. Hopefully he can do well to cement his place into that first team, for the Mexico game. And this is a good opportunity for other players as well. The likes of Lamar Walker, Dwayne Busy Atkins, Kaheem Paris, those players, to try and cement their place into the big team, the first 11 against Mexico. So, let me know in the comment section again, guys. Do you think it was a good team, or is it a good team to do the job over there in Peru? Peru ranked 22 in the world. High altitude. Should be a good game. Can we put together a good team?
This not look good
to get a result, or do we even want a good result? Let me know in the comment section below. let me know who you think should be in the squad. You don't see them in the squad, you know. And I want to wish everybody a happy new year when it comes, you know, all the best. And I hope that everybody will have a successful 2022. Keep growing, you know. 2022 is where, you know, the channel will be up and running, you know. So continue the support. I see the support that I've been getting thus far, and I want to big up everybody for, you know, watching the videos, subscribing, liking, and dropping comments. We hope to do much more in the new year. So, you know, stick and stay, you know, and continue to support Eddy Vision. And we always close by saying like, share, and subscribe.